Okay, Rodney, what do you think it is? A boy or a girl? A prince or a princess?
I think it's a boy.
A boy, okay. Let's open up the card that your mommy made. Ooh, I see a little green in there. Slowly raise it up. Just fold it up, push it up. Oh, camera, my camera. Okay. Woo, see some green. Rodney might be right. You can just raise those two up, I guess. Okay, I see some pink and yellow in Rodney's ashy elbows. Sorry. I had to tell them before they start saying it. Okay. Ooh, Rodney, what are you thinking, boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy, boy, boy. Push it open, Rodney. Push it up. 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 What is it, Rodney? Ooh, Rodney, what is it? What does it say?
A prince.
It's not a princess. It's what does it say? Your brother definitely wouldn't be wearing a dress. What is it?
I would say princess.
It's a girl. Woo! Congratulations, Rodney. Get those Nerf guns cocked and loaded, baby. It's Princess Naomi. Yes. Princess Naomi. Princess Naomi. Princess Naomi. Princess Naomi. Princess Naomi. Ooh.
That's a boy.
Oh, I got you good with that green. Woo, congratulations.
Thank you.
You are a big brother. Get those guns loaded because your sister's going to be purr. She's going to be little purr. Look at that. It's a princess.